Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Couple uncouple.
कैसा लग रहा हूँ guys? काफी cool लग रहा हूँ. Can you show my outfit first?
Crazy, ekdam crazy. Y'all know we are in Singapore and we thought we'll go to the most favorite place of everyone, which is 7-Eleven.
Yes, and try out few new crazy items.
And
जो
then they kind of rate it and
Rate
tell you
it.
all how it is. But I hope we get something vegetarian because we don't eat non-veg. Do you know anything specific that? very
मैंने
famous?
थाईलैंड में बहुत सारी चीजें खाई है, but I'm not sure whether you'll get the same things here. But I think it should be a surprise for us too. Like, what's the
Yes.
point of knowing and then going?
Yeah,
man?
yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
man. Like since we are in Singapore,
Your
let's be in
attitude like
Singapore.
changes,
Yeah,
right? Like,
man.
what's your bra?
Girl. Dairy milk choco. Toblerone cheesecake, guys. It is. Let's see. Never tried this. Okay, guys. ले लिया है 7-Eleven का पूरा खजाना.
I'm damn excited to try
Even
all
I'm
of
very.
it.
The thing is, actually, we just had lunch, and we were supposed to try all of this right now. Why? Only because for you guys. I think I've got like good 10-12 things. ये देखो मेरी गाड़ी जा रही है. Plan में change है थोड़ा. Hi guys.
Abhi see, actually I'm going to the cruise right now. So the chips and everything we try on the cruise because abhi time nahi hai.
Okay.
So we just thought of trying the ones which were there in the fridge because those will get spoiled and are not allowed for like immigration.
No liquids allowed, basically.
Yeah.
सबसे first, I think. See, this is what I've survived on this when I was in Thailand.
What is it called?
Meiji, and this is the best fucking flavor, guys. तुम लोग अगर
कौन
Meiji
सा
पे
है?
muskmelon, guys. बोलो क्या?
आज ही खोलना है. So sweet, he gave me the first sip.
It's fab.
It's not like fab, but it's nice. I liked it.
Like, what do you want in life? मतलब क्या चाहिए तुझे ऐसा? हाँ, पूरा दुबई खरीदना है ऐसा? Then you'll be like, oh yeah, show some excitement, bro. What is this?
मुझे I think ये flavor तूने I think shake नहीं किया है
इसको शेक नहीं करना रहता. शेक कुछ और करना. सदा सृष्टि अखंड दृष्टि न संतुष्टि at all. कुछ भी.
I would rate it 8.5 on 10. How much would you rate it?
Fucking 11 on 10.
Next up is
Next.
peach. I think this is a peach ice cream.
It was a peach ice cream, but अभी सब ऊपर नीचे हो गया.
Now it's become something else. Let's try it. Oh, Jigar, it's leaking. जिगर ने नीचे गिरा दिया. उसको ऐसे उल्टा खोल शायद. ऐसे 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 उल्टा कर.
ऐसा पूरा गिरेगा.
इधर से ही थोड़ा टेस्ट करते हैं.
Just 2 minutes.
Bro, the ice cream is too good.
Yeah.
It's damn good. Taste one thing from your little. It's peach proper.
1 minute. Oh,
This for you.
thank you so
Sorry,
much.
because I heard
No
I
problem.
heard the
No,
voice then I
no
I
problem.
opened the door.
No problem. Anytime.
Okay, thanks so
Thank
much.
you
ah.
so much.
Okay,
Thank
have
you.
a nice day.
Nice day. गर्मा गर्म macarons. Oh bro, look at this. क्या टाइमिंग पे है bro? अपना रिव्यू चालू है.
That's why I told you it's too
Taste
good.
this.
हाँ, ऐसे कौन खिलाता है? ऐसे.
तो खुद के हाथों से खाऊं.
इतना नहीं. Bro, 10 on 2
Any
good.
day, 10 on 10.
2 this is wow.
Guys, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
बनाना जरूरी है. Okay, next one is
Next
the
up is the most viral.
good matcha strawberry latte.
Matcha strawberry latte.
I like matcha so much.
Even I don't like, but packaging बहुत अच्छा था इसका. matcha का टेस्ट है.
Strawberry and matcha mixer. को matcha का taste ही इतना पसंद नहीं honestly.
But this is very good.
Someone who knows matcha better can rate this.
Strong flavor strawberry का ही है. It's overpowering. It's not, but matcha भी है, but it's really nice because we both don't love matcha,
Yeah, that's why.
but we don't hate matcha also.
that Meiji,
we are in
Meiji
that-
was better.
मैंने पहले ही बोला bro. Would give like a good.
Yeah, like I think you can come here and have it once.
yeah, for sure. Like good 8.5 I would give.
8.
एक word है सड़ू.
Red Bull blackcurrant raspberry flavor, but we've just had milk, so we cannot have this right
So
now.
this we'll try it once we
if
do
it's
the next
allowed
part.
in the cruise, then we'll try this, or else I don't know. But I'm sure, like, I hate Red Bull, so I will not like this. But I'm sure people who like Red Bull, this will be a good flavor.
Red
because
Bull
it's
is my love.
blackcurrant raspberry, which is quite cool.
And plus it's zero sugar.
Oh, zero, crazy.
Oh, orgasmic था ना इधर लिए.
Crazy.
Oh,
Now the rest of the part we will see you in the
cruise. Okay guys, we are back in our cruise का room. As you all can see, देख सकते हो guys तुम लोग. यहाँ से entry, यहाँ पे ये, यहाँ पे washroom
और वहाँ से exit.
और वहाँ से exit.
Exit नहीं balcony है वहाँ पर, but I'm sure you will see all of this.
दो दरवाजे आगे, दो दरवाजे पीछे. 10 बार बोला है थोड़ा आराम से बात कर यहाँ पे, क्योंकि आजू बाजू वाले ना सब फ्रेंड्स हैं हमारे, अच्छा नहीं लगता. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ दिस बिकॉज हम लोग ने यहाँ पे छोड़ा था और मेरे बाल मशरूम जैसे दिख रहे हैं, बट इट्स फाइन. 3 2 1. इट्स गुड. थोड़ा कॉफ सिरप जैसा है ना.
1 on 10. I don't like it.
अच्छा है, बट रेड बुल ही रेड बुल अच्छी है.
Yeah, I don't like Red Bull.
ये थोड़ा कॉफ सिरप टाइप हो गया. टॉबलेरॉन का. इट्स
Oh,
टॉबलेरॉन चीज केक.
I like Toblerone.
I love Toblerone. See, it looks like this.
शुदा आ गया वो.
ये Toblerone है.
मैं लूँ एक bite.
इसलिए? No, you have it. You have it. I don't know यार. Wow. Fuck.
Jigar likes everything.
Say first. Take your words back and then say.
Guys,
Must try. Must.
20 on 10.
मतलब
Jigar.
till now this is on number 1.
And someone who loves Toblerone will love this. Oh, that अंदर का जो cracker है, it's too good.
बोल दिया
20 on
तूने
10. 100%.
Number 1 till now.
Grass
And
का.
packing also very good.
Grass का है ना. Can we try something savory now?
Yeah. Moving on to the next thing. Shiitake.
Mushroom chips.
Shiitake.
Shiitake. It's shiitake.
I don't know.
Whatever. That mushroom chips.
Shiitake should take तो नहीं रहेगा.
It looks like a mushroom.
What है ऐसा?
It looks like a crazy mushroom and it has like masala on top. Can you have
No,
one?
no,
Because
no,
what if
no,
it's
no,
non-veg?
no, no. It's-
Jigar, it's not.
So I'll
It's
have
in the
non-veg.
shape of a mushroom.
I'll have it. I'll have it. It's a mushroom only, but. Mushroom only. Sun-dried tomatoes कैसे रहता है?
Smoked chili and garlic.
है काफी कड़क.
Hmm.
और एक खाएंगे ना तो आधा लीटर पानी पीना पड़ेगा.
Give it like a 7 on 10.
That's a good chakna actually.
7 on 10.
7 on 10. 7 on 10.
Potato chips. What is this, but?
Spring onion and garlic flavor.
Spring onion and garlic flavor. Uncle chips जैसा.
But it's not bad.
9 on 10.
9 on 10. Proper. Difference is ये fish oil में बना है. जानबूझ के मेरा रिएक्शन देखना है, प्योर वेज है ये.
Tortilla style protein chips, chili lime flavor. This is like a healthy one.
It's called tortilla.
Tortilla style protein chips,
chili lime flavor.
from Quest.
Quest. This
Interesting.
looks fancy. It's like bingo man angles.
वही है.
I want to sue this brand.
What?
It's the same thing.
पर बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा नहीं है.
It's too good.
It's too खट्टा.
नहीं, it's proper.
Too खट्टा. I
Actually-
don't like too खट्टा.
Actually, Mad Angles ने इसको copy किया है.
7 on 10.
No, good 8.5. If you like tangy, if you like a little spicy, then
And
this is
एकदम ऐसे सार type. So I'm excited for this. Truffle is my favorite. The Golden Duck truffle spiced potato crisps. Spiced potato crisps.
I'm excited for this as well. Good. It's like Pringles.
Yeah, everything kind of getting like a Indian
3, 2, 1.
cheers.
Wow.
Bro, इसमें
Proper
proper
truffle.
truffle.
Too good.
15 on 10. Till now, I still like the cake the best.
Same. Because sweet में वो and savory में maybe.
ये because जी अलग है जगह थोड़ा like वो सब बाकी सब बॉम्बे में भी वैसा मिलता है.
You're right. She's right. Absolutely right.
Wow.
Bus done.
We love truffle, so
We love truffle. Next we have
7 days से
7 days से नहीं है, ये 7 days तक ही चलता है, वो है
नहीं, अच्छा मेरे को लगा ब्रांड है 7 days.
ब्रांड ही है मजाक।
7 days से. It's a croissant with vanilla flavored cream
Cream
filling.
filling.
I
This
think
will be
it's-
good. This will
Jigar
be
is
good.
going- yeah, Jigar will eat the whole thing. I'm very
This will be good. I'm so sure. ये but ये मुंबई में मिलता है, to be very honest.
हाँ.
अभी ये क्रीम है वाली. बेस्ट पीस खाया तूने अभी ये वाला बाइट.
9 on 10.
No. I'm being very honest. This thing you can get like in Mumbai anywhere.
So you can avoid also if you don't want. This truffle chips, so please, yeah, get only. Veggie curls.
Oh, veggie क्या लिखा?
Veggie curls.
Sorry, snack.
Veggie curls.
Veggie curls.
I think it's like fried vegetable.
Fried नहीं.
Yeah, it's crunchy veggie.
It's not fried. It is वो एकदम ऐसा
And this
baked.
is
This is baked.
low sugar, plant based,
This is plant.
all
based.
natural. Crazy.
All natural.
बराबर खोल ताकि हम लोग उसको वापस ऐसे ही बंद कर
वापिस. हम सूखी भाजी खा रहे हैं एकदम.
It's tasteless. I mean, no salt also.
Yeah, there's no salt, nothing, na.
Very avoidable.
Very avoidable. Let's
कोई
not rate
taste-
it. It should be very avoidable.
Yeah, because it doesn't have any taste, like no masala. Like masala, of course, we Indians want, but like there's no salt also in this.
There's no
yeah?
salt, no pepper, nothing. है fancy तो है but still avoidable.
Excuse me. Sneeze like
इतना
one.
manly sneeze मेरा भी नहीं निकलता है.
This is one more croissant.
But it's the flavor is called what?
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Dubai chocolate pistachio croissant.
उन लोगों को भी चाहिए बाजू वाले को भी इतना जोर से बोल रहे.
मैंने कितना crazy अलग अलग
Yeah,
चीज
bro,
लिया
we
है.
have actually this time I think we have done like a very good job.
So you all better get this video
Yeah,
to like
please
1 million views.
And अगर 1 million आ गया ना मैं half पूरा 7-Eleven उठा लूंगा fix.
वापस इसने फर्स्ट बाइट खाया, नेक्स्ट बाइट मुझे आने वाला है. इसमें दिख रहा है, सी गाइस, वो ग्रीन अंदर. मतलब मुझे इसमें और वनीला में इतना डिफरेंस नहीं लगा.
True that. I would still go for the vanilla one. Yeah.
Like, that was 9 on 10.
Yeah. Sorry. ए यार fuck हो गया अभी आज तक. Hold this. पैंट का हो गया सत्यानाश.
Next is this from Smash Rich Matcha Coated Cake Bar.
Oh,
It's supposed to be soft and creamy.
sweet and juicy.
Cruise ka.
You're going first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Take your time to lie. पीछे म्यूजिक लगा दे.
Yeah, let's do like a...
Masa.
Again, like the previous one, I don't like matcha, so... But it's lovely for someone who loves matcha, honestly, because it's like chocolate and that sweet, bitter taste. The chocolate overpowers here. So if you're a matcha person, I'm sure they like it if you're a matcha
Yeah,
person.
yeah. Matcha person na, they like anything related to matcha. Like they can do Dubai chocolate, kunafa, matcha.
Still, I was like a chocolate, like a good chocolate.
Good chocolate.
I would rate it like 8 on 10. You?
6.
6.
Like I wouldn't want someone to buy this.
अरे but अगर if you're a matcha lover,
If you're a
then
matcha lover, then matcha. Next one.
Zero added sugar from Nutri Nuts. It's a protein. 2 pistachio butter chips.
This is good.
Buttercups, sorry.
Buttercups. Wow, this looks damn good.
It's like 2 cups. Give me a bite.
Okay. What happened? What happened? But it's this na bro.
2 on 10.
1 on 10. इधर डायरेक्ट डस्टबिन में
नहीं उधर.
बेचारे हमारे फ्रेंड्स को खिलाएंगे जो आएंगे. हाँ Are we done?
Last.
Oh, last
think
but not the least, guys. I think this chocolate is very famous.
Yeah,
Indian.
Singapore. What it's called?
Merlin.
Merlin. Singapore Merlin.
Merlin नहीं है, Malayan. Merlion.
Merlin. There were many flavors, but of course, Jigar will choose what he wants. Dairy Milk Choco. We have taken that only.
तो ठीक है अभी इसमें खराब थोड़ी कोई ट्राई करना है. We have to try the best flavor, right? This is like a very good bar. Wow. Oh my gosh, this looks yummy. मसूड़े तेरे स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं लग रहे हैं.
With a bitter taste.
वो बिटर उसका है पहले वाले उसमें अटका रहेगा ना दांत का. It's not very sweet.
Yeah.
On this note, this was our review of all the things that we wanted to try from 7-Eleven, which some of them we really liked and we would want to get them again.
What was your top and worst?
In sweets, I would
Not
say...
sweets, yeah. Whole thing. What
No,
was
we
your
have
top?
to say, like,
No, top. What was your best and your worst thing you tried?
best thing would be the Toblerone cheesecake. I think that goes the same with you.
Same. No. I even like this. So I would like rate both of this as the top. I think was the pistachio and
Yeah.
the vegetable chips.
It was not the worst. Like, you can still have that vegetable sticks. actually.
Yeah, we would love to do such videos. Then get us more views so we can take sponsored trips. So we can take more trips abroad and then try such different things.
Yes, sir. And as you all know that we are genuinely so honest here in giving reviews, feedbacks or whatever it is. But on this note, guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to...
Quapal and Quapal.